So today I will tell you how to make money by just playing games. Yeah, by playing games. Did you ever wish for something like this to happen? You can keep on playing hours and hours, but this time you would be get paid. There are so many companies that pay out the gamers community to play on their games, often before releasing period, so that they could give out their feedback. This lets companies to improve any glitches or other gaming experience bugs that could later drop their game sales. Few $1,000s could save their entire million project. Win-win situation for both the parties, the gamers and the developers. There are few such sites that require you to sign up, which I don't feel is much practical for students. So instead, they could option just paid to play games, where you get paid by simply playing number of hours on the site. The companies give out a portion of their ad revenue. The pay in here won't be rocket high, but it is always good to earn something when you are relaxing online by playing online games. Some of the top websites to earn money by playing online games are Japac.com. Japac is a premium online gaming site with a lot of members across the world. Members can win loyalty points for playing games. Loyalty points differ with performance in each game. These points can be used for redeeming some awesome gifts or prizes. In Japan, you will be receiving money in the form of amazing gifts. Then another is GSN.com. GSN is an online gaming network which rewards for playing games online. Each game will reward you with reward points called orders, which can be used for redeeming gifts. It can offer cash games wherein the winner receives some hot cash, but to use this feature, you will have to purchase cash points. Now another is swagbucks.com. Swagbuck is an online survey site which also offers earning opportunity by playing games. Each game or survey will reward you with points called swagbucks. These points can be later be redeemed as cash. Payment is done through PayPal or also can be converted to gifts. Then another is Joombucks.com. Joombucks is almost similar to Swagbuck, wherein you can earn by playing games. Each game will reward you certain points called Jetbucks. These points can be redeemed as direct cash using PayPal or gift card. And next is GameVillage.com. GameVillage is another site which pays you for playing online. It offers opportunity win both hard cash and points. We play game for relaxing or as a mind freshener, and now we can earn money or gift from it. It won't be a big money as I said in the start, but it will always get something rather than nothing. These are some genuine sites to earn playing games online. If you have a better list of websites which pays, do let us know. We can add it.